Welcome to 15th chapter of Metaphysical Art of War. This text, Bhagavad Gita, is an essence of Vedas and Upanishads. If you want to know about the ancient texts of Vedas and Upanishads, thousands and thousands of years back texts, in short, you can read this book and understand. That's why they use the word Sanatana, one without a beginning or an end. It is not an organized form of religion. These books dates back thousands and thousands years back. They don't belong to any one religion. Anybody who is in the eternal quest can use it. Now the text itself says that from there the mind comes back, eyes cannot go beyond, you cannot smell, you cannot understand. From then, knowledge of that one truth starts. We call it by some name, we can call it by any name. So there is no religion. There is nothing as organized. It is one thing, it's man's eternal quest. It's for everyone. Lord Krishna says, Sri Krishna Vacha, Urdham Moolam Adasakham Aswatham Prahurvayam Chandansi Yasya Parnani Yastam Veda Savedavit. With roots above, branches downwards, there is a banyan or a peepal tree, and its leaves are the Vedic hymns. One who knows this tree is the knower of Vedas. Adas Chordhvam Prasratastasya Sakha Gunpravatta Vishaya Pravalaha Adascha Mulanya Nusantatani Karmanubandhini Manushya. The branches of this tree extend downwards and upwards, nourished by three modes of material nature. The twigs are the objects of senses. This tree also has roots going down, and these are bound to the fruitive actions of human society. Narupam Sheha Tatho Palabhyate Nanto Na Chadirna Cha Sampratistha Aswatmenam Suvirudmulam Sangasastrena Dradena Shipva. We cannot catch the form of this people or banyan tree because it's changing every instant. This is without beginning or an end. No one knows where its roots foundation is, but with determination as a weapon of detachment, we must cut down this strongly rooted tree. Tata padam tat parimargitavyam yashmin gata na nivartanti bhuyah tvameva chadyam purusham prapathe yata pravritya prasvata purani. Thereafter, one must seek that place from which, having gone, one never returns, and there surrenders to that Supreme Being from whom everything initiated since the time immemorial. Nirman moha chit sanga dosha adhyatma nitta vinivratta kamaha dvandvair vimuktaha sukha dukkha sangya gacchanta mudaha padam vyamtat. Those who are free from false prestige, illusion and false association, who understand the eternal, who is done with material lust, away from duality of happiness and distress, who know how to surrender unto that one, truth attains that inner eternal state. Na tad bhashate suryo na sasanko na pavakaha yad gatva nivartante tadhamam paramam mam. There neither sun illuminates, nor the moon, fire or electricity. Going there, one doesn't come back here. That is my abode. ममेवांसो जीवलोके जीवभूतः सनातनः मनः षष्ठानीन्द्रियाणि प्रकृतिस्थानि कर्षति. My eternal parts, living beings in this conditioned world are struggling very hard with the six senses, which includes mind. Shariram yadvapnoti yadchapyut kramati ishvaraha grahitvetani shanyati vayuragandha nivasaya. The living entity in the material world carries his different conception of life from one body to another. As air carries aromas, thus he takes one kind of body and again quits it to take the another. Shrotram chakshura sparshanam cha rasanam dhranam eva cha adhisthaya manaschayam vishayanupasevate. By ears, eyes, touch, also tongue, smelling powers, this soul being situated in mind enjoys sense objects. Utkramantam sthitam vapi vanjalam va gudanvitam vimudānānu pasyanti jnana chakshusha. Quitting the body, situated in the body, either enjoying or under the spell of three gunas, this soul cannot be seen by the foolish. Only who have eyes of knowledge can see. Yadanto yogischayanam pasyantyaatmanyavasthitam yadanto apyakratatmano nanam pasyanta chetasah. By practice, yogis can see the soul situated in beings. Although practice can be done by those without self-realization also, but they do not see because of having undeveloped consciousness. Yadadityagatam tejo jagat bhasyate akhilam yad chandramasi yad chagno tat tejo vidhi mamakam. That which is in the sunrise splendors the whole world and illuminates entirely. That which is in the moon and that which is in the fire, that splendor understand from me. Gama vishya bhutani dharyam naha mojasa pushnami chausadhi sarva somo bhutva prasatmaka. I enter into each planet and by my energy they stay in orbit. I become the moon and thereby supply the juice of life to all vegetables. Aham vaishvanaro bhutva praninam deham ashritaha pranapana samayaktaha panchamannam chaturvidam. I am the fire of digestion in the bodies of all living entities, and I join with the air of life, outgoing and incoming, to digest the four kinds of foodstuff. Sarvasya chaham hridi sannivisto mataha smritir jnanam pohanam cha vedascha sarvairhameva vedbhyo vedanta veda videma chaham. I am seated in everyone's heart, and from me come remembrance, knowledge, and forgetfulness. From all the Vedas, I am to be known. I am the knower of the Vedas. Dvamimo purusho loke ksharascha evacha kshara sarvani bhutani kutastho akshar uchyate. There are two classes of beings, the fallible and the infallible. All beings are destructible except the one who passes through Kutastha. Kutastha is this place. That is why in the sloka the Krishna says, Kutastho Akshar Uchyate, who goes beyond this place. Uttamaha Purusastvanya परमात्मेत्य उदाहृतः यो लोकत्रयमाविश्य विभर्तव्यः ईश्वरः. The best being other than these two is said to be Paramatman, the imperishable Lord who has entered the three worlds and is maintaining them. Yasmaksharamapito aham ksharaadapi chottamah ato asmi loke vede cha prasita purushottamah. Because I am beyond both Kshar and Akshar, I am oldest, great and greatest. I am celebrated both in the world and Vedas as a supreme person. Yo mameva sammudo janati purushottama sa sarvibhayati mam sarvabhavena bharata. Anyone who thus know me without doubt is the knower of everything. He therefore engages himself in devotional service to me, O Bharata. Iti guhyatamam sastram idam uktam maya nagha etat buddhva buddhimanasya kratkratyascha Bharata. Thus most secret scripture is revealed, O sinless one, and it is disclosed by me. Whoever understands this will become wise and fulfill, O Bharata.